A major diplomatic crisis between Uganda and the United States flared and was quelled within hours, following a series of inflammatory and subsequently retracted social media statements by General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, the Chief of Defense Forces of Uganda. The incident centered on accusations against the U.S. Embassy, and the situation of opposition leader Bobi Wine ended with a high-level apology and assurances of continued military cooperation. Initial allegation, a decade of undermined cooperation. The first public salvo came from General Kainerugaba, who claimed long-standing issues with U.S. diplomatic staff. The very precious security cooperation between Uganda and the United States has been undermined for a decade now, since 2015, by unimaginative bureaucrats at the embassy. This is in spite of the excellent political relations between the two countries. Muhoozi Kainerugaba. This post set the stage, alleging that bureaucratic actions, not political will, have damaged a key security partnership. The escalation, suspending all military ties. Minutes later, the crisis escalated dramatically. Kainerugaba directly implicated the U.S. Embassy in the disappearance of opposition figure Robert Kyagulanyi, that's Bobi Wine, and announced severe consequences. Fellow Ugandans, because of the present situation where an opposition leader kidnapped himself and is missing, and according to our best intelligence, did all this in coordination with the current administration at the U.S. Embassy, we as UPDF suspend all cooperation with the current administration at the U.S. Embassy in Kampala. This includes our work in Somalia. Muhoozi Kainerugaba. The only reason as to why U.S. is backing Museveni is its work in Somalia. This announcement threatened a cornerstone of regional security, Uganda's military role in Somalia under the African Union. A controversial photo, claims about Bobi Wine's wife, adding a deeply personal and controversial layer. Kainerugaba posted a photo purporting to show Bobi Wine's wife, Bobi Kyagulanyi, in military custody. This is when our soldiers captured and then released Bobi's wife, Bobi. She was very helpful in helping us find her husband, Muhoozi Kainerugaba. The image and claim triggered immediate outrage from opposing circles, framing the incident as an act of intimidation. Public and political outcry. The post sparked swift condemnation. Former leader of the opposition, Winnie Kiza, expressed alarm. If such inhuman treatment doesn't worry us, I don't know what will. Winnie Kiza. Meanwhile, messages of support for Bobi Kyagulanyi circulated online, highlighting the personal toll of the political saga. Dear Bobi, you are a strong, loving, intelligent woman. This too shall pass. Lucky Mbabazi. A sudden retraction and apology. In a remarkable reversal, Kainerugaba deleted the accusation post and issued a full public apology to the United States. I want to apologize to our great friends, the United States, for my earlier tweet that I have now deleted. I was being fed with wrong information. I have spoken with the U.S. ambassador to our country and everything is okay. We are going to continue our military cooperation as usual. Muhoozi Kainerugaba. He placed the blame on being misinformed, signaling a rapid de-escalation following direct dialogue with U.S. officials. Diplomatic praise and resolution. Kainerugaba later singled out Uganda's permanent representative to the UN, Ambassador Adonia Hayabari, for praise in involving the dispute. I must thank her super diplomat. His Excellency Adoniai Yabare for quickly resolving any issues we might have had with our good friends, the United States of America. Muhoozi Kainerugaba. Ambassador Yabare acknowledged the clarification, affirming the strength of the bilateral relationship. Thank you, General, for this clarification. Our relationship with the United States of America is mutually beneficial and resilient. Adoniai Yabare. Aftermath, lingering questions and silence. While the diplomatic breach appears mended, key questions persist. The source of the wrong information provided to the general remains undisclosed, and the status and location of the opposition leader, Bobi, are still unconfirmed. The U.S. Embassy in Kampala has maintained a discreet public silence on the entire episode. For now, the vital security partnership between Uganda and the United States, critical for counterterrorism effort in the Horn of Africa, has been publicly reaffirmed, ending a day of extraordinary and volatile diplomatic communications. This is a developing story, but what we know and we have been knowing for so long, and anybody who can analyze politics can know, is US backs Museveni fully for the help against Al-Shabaab in Somalia. Thank you.